This video explains how to save and load recipes from a USB drive on an Alto-Sham Vector Oven with Deluxe Control. Read and understand the operator's manual before using the appliance. We will be using a 4-chamber oven for this demonstration. 2 and 3-chamber ovens will operate similarly. You will need a USB drive to save the recipe. Insert the USB drive into the side of the oven display head. First, touch the menu icon in the upper left corner of the display. Next, touch the settings icon in the middle of the display. Scroll down the settings menu until you find the section of System Backup and Update. Then, touch the Backup Recipes to USB icon. This will bring up a submenu for the USB. If you have a specific folder on the USB drive, you can choose it to store the recipes. Otherwise, you can just save it directly to the USB drive. Once you have your saving location picked, touch the check mark to save. After you have downloaded successfully, touch the check mark to go back to the settings menu. To load recipes from the USB drive to the oven menu, touch the Restore Recipes from USB icon. You need to pick the recipe from the saved location on the USB drive. Then touch the check mark to restore. You can choose if you want to keep the old recipes in the oven and add these as new, or you can choose to overwrite the existing recipes and have these new ones available to use. Touch Keep or Overwrite to make your selection and complete the process. After the recipes have uploaded, touch the check mark to go back to the settings menu. Touch the menu icon to go back to the main menu. Remove the USB drive from the oven. For more videos, please see our website.